hope you are fine. My name is Numan Abid. I am here to teach you about Introduction to Python. So what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language. It is developed by Guido van Rossum. He started implementing Python in 1989. Python has syntax similar to English language. Python is that high-level programming language that is very similar to English. So anyone that is beginner in Python programming language that can easily understand Python. Python has syntax that allows developers to write program in few lines, but in other programming language we write that code in more lines. Interesting fact: Python is named after the comedy television show Monty Python's Flying Circus, not after the python snake, as we have heard. Python is an interpreted programming language. Means that code can be executed as soon as it is written. Feature: Python is very readable. As I told you, Python syntax has similar to English language. That's why it is easily understandable. So we can easily read it and understand it. Python is an open source programming language. Python has large set of standard libraries. They provide some handy code and functions that we use in our programming problems and develop our projects. There are two major versions of Python: Python 2 and Python 3. They are quite different, but newer version is Python 3. Basically, Python has a large set of applications, and Python supports cross-platform operating system, which means building applications with it all the more convenient. First application of Python programming language is web development. It is used for web development because of its frameworks. And second application is game development. Python is used for developing games like Widget Strike, Town Online, and etc. like other games. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Third major source and application of Python programming language is machine learning and artificial intelligence. Python is used for machine learning. So Python is used in data science and data visualization. In data science, data is money if you know how to extract relevant information which can help you to take calculated risks and increase profits. And fifth major source of Python programming language and application is desktop GUI. Python is used for making GUI applications in its framework like Kivy, PyQt, Tkinter, PyGUI, PySide, and more. In Python, we make desktop applications. Fifth application of Python is audio and video applications. Python is used to develop applications that can multitask and also output media. Video and audio applications such as TimPlayer, CPlay have been developed using Python programming language. And the last application of Python programming language is embedded applications. Python is based on C language. In C, it is used to create embedded C software for embedded applications.